Residential Locksmith, Fort Langley.
If you're locked out, need keys, call Mr. Locksmith.
Fort Langley.
If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, car lockout, call Mr. Locksmith.
Fort Langley.
Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change, Mr. Locksmith.
Fort Langley.
Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks.
Residential lock repair, Fort Langley.
House lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. We have 24-hour Locksmith
Fort Langley.
service, mobile locksmith,
Fort Langley.
and emergency locksmith for
Fort Langley. Residential door lock change, Fort Langley.
If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. You lost your keys to your mailbox, we can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. If you're locked out of your mailbox, we can make you new keys.
So residential locksmith near me, Fort Langley.
Call Mr. Locksmith.